I'm recording. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Animal Company with my fellow friend Joshua. Yeah, with my fellow friend Joshua. So So I'm gonna be unlocking both hip slots. So we're gonna need a grappler for this. So we gotta So we gotta come into the VR. So we gotta come here, and then we gotta buy that, then go here, and then we gotta go, and then we have to get this, and then we gotta come over here. Yeah, then we gotta come over here. You bought that, Joshua? You bought this? And then we gotta buy this, and then we gotta make our way down here. And then we gotta buy tax evasion, and then we gotta. Yeah, that's one of them. And then we buy that, and I bought the hip. And then if we come down here, it says we gotta buy that for 5. So we gotta go mining. I bought that. Look, Joshua, look. You gotta be careful. Try to come back. Use your grappler to get. I'll get you another one. So yeah, we gotta go mining. Yeah. I can't even get back up there. But I'm gonna have one grappler left. I need to try to get back up. Yeah, I'm gonna lose my grappler, Josh. No, I'm coming. Back up. So those are things you need to buy, alright, to order to get the right hip, the right hip and the left hip. You have to purchase this. You have to purchase that. Okay, you have to purchase this, and alright, you have to purchase this, and you have to purchase that. You gotta come here. You gotta come there. Purchase that. And then you gotta come down here, or go down there and purchase that, and then you're gonna be able to purchase the right hip and the left hip. So I will see you in the next video. This is the showcase of how to get the right hip and the left hip shoulder. Why are you big? You big back, and your VR died. Oh, you're charging while playing? Ow! Bro, that hit me! You threw your backpack, that smacked me straight in the face. I don't have a pickaxe. Where? You have 2? So yeah, yeah, I got the right hip. But yeah, stay tuned for more Animal Company videos. See.